In the lab environment, accuracy is critical. Confusion can be costly, and mistakes can have dire consequences. Add the efficiency and accuracy of vibrant color labeling to your workflow with the BradyJet J2000 color label printer. The human brain can recognize and categorize colors faster and with fewer errors than with alphanumeric characters alone. And with legendary Brady label materials suitable for all lab scenarios, you won't have to worry about losing valuable information to xylene, ethanol, DMSO, hot water baths, and liquid nitrogen. With up to 2.5 inches per second print speeds, you won't lose any valuable time either. 16 million color combinations and 4,800 Dpi High-Resolution imagery means even your smallest labels are clear and easy to read. Brady Workstation Laboratory Suite software allows you to import data from a wide variety of sources. Use the powerful auto-label setup feature and templates to create auto-populated GHS labels, as well as labware and lab safety labels. Brady's specifically engineered durable materials enhance your lab's efficiency and accuracy. Choose vibrant, durable color for your lab. Choose the BradyJet J2000 inkjet color label printer. Learn more today at this website.